Etechin Electric Co.Ltd. was founded in 2003. Located in Yueqing, Zhejiang Province, known as the capital of low-voltage electrical appliances in China. As a manufacturer specializing in production of high breaking capacity MCB, RCCB, RCBO, MCCB, ACB, and panel board. Over 20 years of accumulation and innovation, the company has achieved a vigorous development and successfully obtained titles such as National High-Tech Enterprise, etc. Also, we have obtained many utility model and invention patents for products. In the wave of intelligent manufacturing, Etechin stands at the forefront. We have constructed a full chain production and inspection process from raw materials to finished products, covering the entire production processes such as mold design and manufacturing, injection molding, stamping, forming, welding, spraying, assembling, and testing. Over the years, the company has focused on promoting the construction of automated production lines for circuit breakers, established lines including the ACB test line, the MCCB automated production and test line, the automated spot welding production line, the automated robotic assembly line, the automated test line for MCB, and other intelligent automatic production units and lines. Meanwhile, we have established a digital management system to fulfill optimized production procedures based on ERP and mass support, which has not only improved the production efficiency, but also ensures the excellent quality of products. It marks the progress of Etechin Electric from traditional manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing. Innovation serves as the cornerstone of Etechin's success by continuously increasing R&D investment and inviting high technical talents. We always concentrate on developing the research and development of new products and the improvement of the performance of existing products. We always pursue the product's performance higher than the standard. Our ETM 8 series product has stable and reliable 10 Ka and 15 Ka braking capacity performance, which have won the unanimous recognition from customers. Faced to the opportunities of IoT era, we fully promote the R&D of IoT circuit breakers, aiming to explore the new energy market with digital products in order to meet the new demands of all customers. Quality is the soul of products and the corporate pursuit of Etechin Electric. The company has always implemented scientific and strict management, formulated standard quality control processes, and ensured that each product maintains excellent quality and meets customers' requirements for high quality with a complete testing laboratory. We have obtained many international certifications such as KEMA, Semko, CE, CB, RoHS, etc. And the company passed ISO 9001 system certification as well, which providing a solid guarantee for stabilizing product quality and market competitiveness. Since its establishment, Etechin has always adhered to its service goal of providing users with safe and reliable electrical products. We have always persisted in the service concept of transpositional thinking. If we are customers, taking customer needs as guidance and providing customers with high-quality services and professional product customization solutions. Under the guidance of this concept, Etechin has always actively explored overseas markets, and the products gradually enhanced the international popularity. Nowadays, our products have been exported to many countries and regions around the world, winning wide recognition and praise from customers and establishing a stable international sales network. Looking to the future, Etechin will continuously adhere to the high-quality development path of specialization and innovation, taking technology as the foundation, quality as the core, and talents as the engine. We will continuously improve product performance, increase research and development efforts of new products, and sail forward towards the goal of being a valuable company in the electric industry field. Etechin Electric offer reliable electric products for customers' save.